If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to know when iPhone battery needs replacement. If you are experiencing rapid battery drain, you may check your phone if your battery needs replacement. To do this, go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. On Battery, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Now, on Battery Health and Charging, you will see at maximum capacity a percentage. In this case is 100%, which means that the battery is at 100% relative to when it was new. If it was at 50%, it would mean that it has half the capacity relative to what it was new. Exit Settings. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.